I love it by the river.
Whoa, what's that?
Oh, I don't know. I can't get a good look at it.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Go on, Poc. Let's go and see.
Discovery! Woohoo! Oh, hello.
Oh, let's see. How interesting. It's a trout. A trout, Poc. Aww. It's a tiny little baby fish. Hello.
Oh, hello, little fish. Are you having a nice swim?
Discovery. Trout. Trout can change their colours to match where they live. If they live near dark rocks, they get darker. If they live near light stones, like here in the river, they get lighter. I think it helps them hide and keeps them safe.
Like a robot disguise.
Yes, exactly. Trout start their lives hatching from eggs here in the river. But some go on a big adventure all the way out to sea where there's lots of food. But they still remember their home and swim all the way back here when they are grown up. Then they lay their eggs in the gravel where their babies, like these little friends, start the whole adventure all over again.
Magical.
Though not every trout goes to live in the sea. Some are happy to stay in the river forever, even though they are the same kind of fish. Some are explorers and some are home lovers.
Just like humans.
Yes. Nice to meet you, little fish friends. Good luck on your journey.
See you later.